Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today is the first of our how-to videos and we're going to tell you all about setting up a device that we did unboxing and review a few days back. Before I tell you what this device is and what this video is about, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there, and also don't forget we're there on Instagram and TikTok as well, and the handle is @GreatLobbyist. And for everything else and to be amazed even more, you can always visit our website www.greatlobbyist.com. So guys, getting straight on to business, we did a review of a home security camera which is EZVIZ C6W a few days back. We did an unboxing review, spoke about the specs and every single detail. Now this is a great camera, and it gives you a complete 360-degree view of the house. It looks amazing sitting in the house as well. It's a beautiful round ball which sits there and gives you that techie feeling when someone visits as well. But if it's an invited visitors, you can always buzz them off with the amazing security features this guy has. And we received a lot of feedback on how to set this up, the easiest way. It looks very complex and so on. So we said, might as well tell you how to set it up. And guys, you won't believe, it's fairly easy. It's literally gonna take you not more than 3 minutes to set this up. So getting straight onto it. So first step is, of course, you have to download and install the EZVIZ app. So if you're an Android user, you go on the Play Store. If you're an iPhone user, go on the App Store and download the EZVIZ app. So once you're done downloading that app, open the app and it straight away asks you what kind of device from EZVIZ you want to set up. And in this case, of course, you're going to select the camera, the cameras section. So the moment you go into the cameras, it'll ask you to scan a QR code. Now this QR code is as a sticker on the manual as well, but just in case you lose the manual, don't have to worry about it. The the QR code is at the bottom of the camera as well. So go straight on to scanning that QR code on your EZVIZ C6W. And it will automatically detect it. Now, but when you're scanning it and after you're done scanning it, make sure that your EZVIZ C6W is plugged in and is flashing blue light. Now, for any reason, normally when you take it out of the box and plug it in, it'll start flashing the blue light automatically. But just in case it is not, there is a reset button on there. Just keep it pressed for a few seconds. Leave it there. You'll hear some noise when you're holding it in your hand. That's the motor rotating and resetting the device. So once the reset is done, it'll automatically start flashing in blue. So make sure it's powered on as well. It'll automatically detect you and straight away take you onto another screen, which will ask you to select the Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi network which is there in your house, which you're connected on, and enter the Wi-Fi password as well. So once you're done doing that, in the same list, it's going to show you the device that you are configuring. Now, all you have to do is press on that device and it will straight away go on to configuration mode. Now what it is doing when it's configuring, it is storing that Wi-Fi information onto the device and setting up that connection between the Wi-Fi network, the camera and your device handset that you're going to monitor from. So it takes about 45 seconds approximately for the setup to finish and the configuration to be done. Once it's done, it's almost ready to and good to go. All you have to do is customize the settings. For example, you want to set up what kind of sensitivity you want on motion detection, set up the date and time format, how often do you want to record, and so on. And once you're done, voila, your device is all set up and ready to go. Now when you go into the device and select it, you can select the kind of definition you want on your video. It gives you a 4K definition and high NFHD definitions as well. You can pan tilt using those arrow and the scroll buttons to look up and down and completely go 360-degree to keep a complete eye on the house just in case you want to see that. You can take a 360-degree picture as well. So basically what it does is it goes around and start taking pictures and combines them. The AI combines them into one big picture to give you that complete complete picture of what's happening in the house at the same time. So there's some many more amazing features, but I'm not going to bore you into it. You can customize them and the settings and according to your requirement. And while you're doing it, if you have any questions, you can always come back and leave us a comment and we'll be happy to answer them for you. So guys, this is how easy it is to set up the EZVIZ C6W. Now go there, get yourself one and set it up. And if you need any help, let us know. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, saying goodbye. Keep yourself safe. Peace.